So as I'm driving into work, I suddenly realized that I said that I didn't have a very exciting day, but I do. It is Bee's graduation for her grade 3 obedience class tonight, and I can't believe that I forgot that. The session has gone so quickly, so tonight they get tested on all of their different skills, and then we get the go-ahead to go on to things like agility or, yeah, it's okay. You can go right ahead. Oh, people. I have road rage, just so you know. It is a beautiful day today. I don't have to go into work until this afternoon, so I thought I would just do a couple minutes with the puppy on the front lawn, a little bit of jumping stuff with her. I always have my trusty jump set up on the lawn so that I can get 5 minutes in whenever I have an opportunity. Now, I don't have a terribly exciting day today. I have my normal weekly meeting that I have to go to, and then I teach a bunch of agility classes tonight, but I'm gonna bring you with me anyway.
Take a bite of that pineapple. Reflect and tell me how it tastes. It only cost about $4. You wipe your mouth and say that's great. Now take your bike out of the closet.
So I'm just about to head into work. I'm just packing some lunch and dinner since I'm gonna be there for the rest of the night. And I wanted to pack some of those balls that I made, and I just found the bag of balls. There's only 3 balls in the bag. I know for certain that there were 6 balls in the bag yesterday. And I know Ken was rooting around here a lot, searching everywhere, trying to find them. So I have a sneaky suspicion that he may have been successful. So I guess I'm gonna have to make more. We're gonna be sharing my special treats. We're gonna have to double the quantity. So I just finished my meeting. I'm just taking the dogs for a quick walk around the arena before I have to go to Bee's graduation class. And one of the things that came up in the meeting today is something that I've been thinking about a lot lately. We've been thinking about adding a component to our evaluations for our agility classes on giving the students feedback about their dog's fitness. And this is a super touchy subject, and I would be very interested to hear other agility handlers or trainers with schools out there and what they do with dogs that are really overweight or not in very good shape, because I think it's really common for new people to come to agility. They're very excited about it. They want to put the A-frame high, and they want to put the teeter-totter up, and they want to put the jumps up, and they don't realize that it takes time to build a dog's understanding for those things. And most importantly, if the dog is not fit enough to be jumping high jumps repetitively over and over and over again, you're really increasing the risk of injury from those dogs as well. And it's something that here at our school anyways with our coaches we take really seriously. In fact, you know, ourselves, we don't even jump our dogs at full height all of the time. We're really careful about that because we want our dogs to have a long life and to life in agility and have a lot of fun. So we've been speaking about that because it's come up a little bit lately, just in agility in general, about the fitness of dogs. A bit controversial, I think. Nobody wants to hear that their dog is overweight or not fit, but it's important. So anyways, I'd be interested to know your thoughts. I just finished class and I have to go teach my agility class right now. Instructor Jane and Marsha are doing the evaluations.
I have to say you did very well.
Oh.
Admirably well.
I can suck up to the teacher pretty easily, unfortunately. So
Yeah, you can only be what you can be.
you can only be what you can be. If you believe.
Be strong.
So at the end of the night, one of the things I do when I'm tired from training and my dogs still need a bit more exercise is I sit somewhere on the floor and then I try to send my dog out to find different obstacles so I can work distance training and also to see whether they know the names of the obstacles. So I'm going to try that with Funky right now. Tunnel. Tunnel, yes, weave. Weave, weave. Yes! Good girl! Here. Yay, good girl. So I'm just getting home from the night trading and talking, and it quite possibly is a little later than I expected. It is 1:45 in the morning. Come on, guys, inside. And I totally got a little carried away with the time. Now I'm being quiet because as I came in the house, I realized that the house was super quiet, which is really strange. So Ken and I are like night hawks and we stay up quite late at night, and it is very rare that he would ever go to bed before I get home. He usually waits up for me and then we chit chat about our day or whatnot, but he's like, the lights are off, he must be in bed. This is just crazy. So I think I'm gonna run and check on him and make sure everything's okay. So Ken indeed did go to bed early. He has to get up and work fire tomorrow, so I'm really glad he didn't stay up and wait for me. I actually have no idea where the time went. I can't believe it's as late as it is. Jamie and I got a little carried away, I guess, tonight, but I swear we come up with the best ideas and have the best talks when we stay late to chat. Our focus tonight was sort of coming up with a game plan for ourselves and our younger dogs for the next few weeks, and we're going to start working towards it tomorrow. Well, from what I thought was going to be an uneventful day, it turned out to be pretty action-packed. My obedience class earlier this evening went really well with Beeline. She did great, and my little diploma picture that we took was so cute. My agility classes did well. It was their last class of the session. I got some training time in with my dogs after classes. Kayl came by and she did some pulse therapy on myself and on Grand Slam too, which was great to have that done. And then of course, way too much talking with Jamie. But whatever, I think I probably should try to be more quiet right now. Anyway, I need to go to bed. I have to get up and get a lot of stuff done tomorrow, so